Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to add a user account on Windows 11 system. So in the first step, go to search bar and type here settings, then click here to open it. Now on this window, select accounts and then search for other users. Now select this and from here you can add account. So click here. Now select your username and you need to enter the password. Again re-enter the password and select next. Simply follow my screen. You need to re-enter the password here. After that you need to select these all options. Once done, click on next and there we go, the new account is added to your system. Now let's check how we can switch to the another account. Now select on sign out and from here you can see the new added account. Select it and a password and there we go. That's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.